Morning dear students, today we are going to see 5th and 6th problem in exercise 4.3. Okay. What is given in the 5th problem? In a circle AB and CD are two parallel chords with center O and radius 10 cm such that AB is equal to 16 cm and CD is equal to 12 cm. Determine the distance between the chords. First, in geometry, what we have to do? We have to draw the diagram. So, first we are going to draw the circle with center O, and what is given? AB and CD are two parallel chords. We are going to draw two parallel chords. So, let's draw the chords like this. This is one chord and this is another chord. This is AB and this is CD. Okay. Then what else is given? Distance between A and B is 16 cm and distance between C and D, A and B is 16 cm and C and D is 12 cm. This is also given in the question. Then what else we have to find? And radius is 10 cm. Radius is also given. Radius is 10 cm. So this is radius, this is radius. OA, OB, OC, OD. These are radius. Radius is 10 cm. So all the four distance are 10 cm. That also we have written. These four sides are equal. That also keep in mind. Okay. Then what we have to find? We have to determine the distance between the chords. We have to find the distance between these two chords. That is the question. For that what we can do? We can draw a line like this, perpendicular line, and we can draw another line here. This is also a perpendicular line. Then we can find this distance and we can add both the distance. We will get the answer. Okay. Now let's write the given data. What are the data given? Given OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD. These four are radius. What is the value of radius? Radius is 10 cm. That we have written first. Then distance between AB is 16 cm and CD is 12 cm. This also we have written. Then this AB we can divide it as, here you write it as M, here you write it as N. So AB you can split it as AM is equal to MB. If we draw a perpendicular line to the chord, we will say that these two distance will be equal. This we have seen in one theorem. Do you remember? But in that theorem we have drawn the chord in horizontal way. Here it is in vertical form. Can you see that? For this you can see this diagram like this. Wait. See the diagram in this way. This is the chord and these two are radius. These two sides are equal. We are drawing a perpendicular line from the center. Then what will we say? These two sides will be equal. Do you remember this? By that theorem we are writing AM is equal to MB. Similarly, CN is equal to ND. CN is equal to ND. Also the distance will be equal. These two distance will be equal. So what will you write? So AM is equal to MB is equal to, what will you get? Here this is 16 cm. So we are dividing it by 2. That is 8 cm. Here CN is equal to ND is equal to 12 divided by 2. That is 6 cm. So only we get now. Now by using the Pythagoras theorem, that is from triangle AMO, by this triangle, this is 90 degrees. So by this triangle you can find this side. We know this one is 8 cm and this is 8 cm. Here this is 6 and this is 6 cm. So this distance is 8 and this is 10 cm. We can find this distance easily. Similarly, by this triangle CNO, we can say find this distance easily. We know the side CN is 6 cm and CO is 10 cm. We can find the angle, we can find the side ON by the Pythagoras theorem. Shall we proceed the problem? Okay. From triangle AMO from the triangle. What we know? AO square is equal to AM square plus MO square. What is AO square? That is 10 square is equal to AM is 8 square plus MO square. 10 square is 100 is equal to 64 plus MO square. So 64 comes here as minus 64. Minus 64 is equal to MO square. So MO square is equal to 36. What is the value of MO? You have to take root 36. What is root 36? 6. So MO is equal to 6. Okay. Now take the next triangle. From triangle CON, angle OC square is equal to NC square plus NO square. Okay. What is the distance between O and C? That is the radius, that is 10 square, and value of NC is 6 square plus NO square. NO only we have to find out. So 100 square is equal to 36 plus NO square. So, 100 square not, 10 square is 100. So, next step what will you do? 100 minus 36 is equal to NO square. So, NO square is equal to 64. What is the value of NO? NO is root 64. That is NO is equal to 8. So, now we got the value of NO. What distance we need to find? We need to find the distance between M and N. So, MN we can write it as MO plus ON. So, we can add both the terms. We will get the value of MN. So, MN is equal to MO plus ON. What is the value of MO? That is 6 centimeter, and value of ON is 8 centimeter. If you add both the things, what will you get? 14 centimeter. So, value of MN is, distance between M and N is 14 centimeter. What is asked? We have to find the distance between two chords. That is MN is equal to 14 centimeter. I think this problem is clear for you all. Now, let's see the problem number 6. Okay, now given in problem number 6, two circles of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter intersect at 2 points and the distance between their centers is 4 centimeter. Find the length of the common chord. Let's draw the diagram first. Now, two circles we have drawn. They said us to draw. Then, what is that? We have to draw a chord which is common to both the circles. This is the chord. Mark the chord name as A and B. Then what else is given? The distance between the center of two chords is 4 centimeter. This distance is given. And the distance between, that is the radius of one circle is 5 centimeter and the other circle is 3 centimeter. That is not necessary for us. This is 5 centimeter. So we know now this, mark all the points. This is O, this is D. Okay. Now what we have to do? We know this distance is 5 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter and this is 90 degree. We know these two sides are equal and it is a perpendicular line here. So what we know? AD is equal to DB. So we know AD is equal to DB. So from that, we can, by this triangle, what we can do? We can find by Pythagoras theorem from triangle ADO, you can find the distance between A and D. By that, you can multiply it by 2 and find the value of DB. Then what will you get? You can multiply and get the value of A and B. Okay, now let's proceed. What are the things given? Given radius is 5 centimeter. Okay, from triangle ADO, AO square is equal to AD square plus DO square. AD square should be find out by us. AO square is 5 square plus 4 square. So 5 square is 25 and AD square plus 4 square is 16. So AD square is equal to, the 16 comes here as minus 16. So AD square is equal to 9. What is the value of AD? Have to take root 9. That is AD is equal to 3. We got the value of AD. Then what is the value of DB? DB is AD and DB are equal. So that is also 3. So value of AB is equal to AD plus DB. So 3 plus 3. So AB is equal to 6 centimeter. We got the answer. Can you understand this problem? I think today's class is clear for you all. Thank you students. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.